How to download WinRAR on your Windows. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to easily download WinRAR on your Windows device. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads as well. Now let's jump right in. First thing that you need to do is open up any web browser on your device, and then here you are going to type in for WinRAR download. Once you do that, you will get this first link. You can also type in this URL www.win-rar.com to just open up this first link. Now if you scroll down here, you will find different versions of WinRAR on different languages, so you just have to find your preferred language. English is right up here, so you don't need to do anything from there. You can choose the versions as well if you want, and on language, if you have any specific preference, you can do that as well from all of these available lists. And on platform, you are going to choose your device. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to do that right here. And on architecture, you can do any of these options as well. Now all you need to do is click on this download button and it will start downloading the exe file on your PC. Once this is done downloading, what you can do is just follow these on-screen instructions. So first you need to click on the file, and then from here you have to allow all of its permissions, and finally choose your destination where you want to download it, and then click on install. Then you will have to select your parameters as according to your need. And finally, you can click on done to install the file successfully. So I'm just going to click right here, click on yes, and then from here you can just browse through your PC where you want to download it. And from here you can just click on install and you should be able to use WinRAR without any problems. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.